Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Today we have this replacement charging cord for the Sony SRS-XB40, and I'll tell you my favorite thing about this in a second, but first some things you need to know. All right guys, first of all, if you're like me and lost your charging cable, guys, then you're in the right place because I lost my cable for this about 3 years ago, and I never really thought to come to Amazon to look for a replacement. But a few weeks ago, I decided to come on here because I needed a new cable. I was tired of not being able to use this thing. And I actually found one on the website for Sony. It was way expensive. And when I came to Amazon, I saw a bunch of different reviews for a bunch of different cables. I was kind of like, I don't know, should I get one? They were kind of iffy. I decided to trust this one. And guys, it did not go wrong. The end of the cable is even the right color. You plug this in, it charges this thing up completely full. Let me show you. All right, guys, so there you see the cable's plugged in. It plugs right here into the back where it's supposed to plug into. And then as you can see, that charging light indicator right there is on and it charges fully. Like I said, guys, I charged it up to 100%, worked great. And I've been continuously using this for a few weeks now. No problems, works great. Fits the speaker perfectly, charges it to a full 100%. Guys, this cable, it's kind of hard to show you in the space that I have, but it is about 5-6 feet long almost. And it's a really great adapter. I highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.